So guys, what we're going to do today is just show you quickly how to access your online lessons via Teams, and I've done a little step-by-step guide which has been made specifically so you know how to work out when your lessons are and how to accept them and join them. Alright, so let's start off. The first thing you need to do is either on your tablet or your PC, you need to log into Google Chrome. It does prefer Chrome, okay? So try it on Internet Explorer, but if possible and where possible, please use Chrome. So in the search bar at the top, we put Microsoft.com, and we're going to log into that and click on this sign in button here. Okay, not asking you to buy anything, so don't worry about all the prices, but this is how we access the bit to get to your emails. So then what we've got here is the sign in page, and you need to type in your Knole Academy login. So if you started in 2016, it's exactly how you would log on to the computer in school. You'd put 16 blogsf@knoleacademy.org. Okay, and once you've done that, then click on next. It will then ask you for your password, which is the same as if you were logging onto a school computer, and make sure that you've got it case sensitive. Then the next page is going to ask you whether or not you want to reduce the number of times you log in. Now, if you do not share your computer with anybody at home, you might want to tick this box so that you don't have to keep going through this each time. Okay, so if you want to do that, click on the little do not show this again box and click yes, and it will automatically do it each time for you. So then you'll get this page, okay, and what we've got here is your dashboard, and we're going to particularly click on Outlook. So if we click on the Outlook, it will then take you to your school email address. If you haven't really worked out how to do that, what you can do is also use Word and Excel and everything else there to access your information. Now, what you've got here are these invitations in your email address. It is not that Miss is inviting anybody to a party. So the RSVP is to your citizenship lesson. Okay, it is not for a cheeky afternoon party at McDonald's. It is all about getting to your lesson. So you're going to click on the RSVP, and then it will ask you whether or not you can attend, maybe or no. If you know that you have something else there that you're not able to attend, you can click on no. If you think, yes, I can attend that, you click yes. If you're not sure whether or not you can attend that, you click on maybe. I would personally always put yes, because then it puts it into your diary and we know that it's there. Take you through to your calendar. Now, if it doesn't appear like this, we can change up in this top hand corner view, and you really want to put it on week view. So the lessons that are in grey are your timetable lessons that you would be in school. So what we've got here is your timetable lessons in grey, and then these lessons that are in blue are the Teams lessons that are going to be your lessons with your teacher. Now, if you've accepted them, they are the solid blue colour that we've just seen. However, if they've got this little chevron above them here, it means that you haven't accepted them as yet, or you might have clicked a maybe. And if that is the case, what we then need to do is click on the chevron box, and instead of just getting the option of yes, no, maybe, you need to click on, all you get here is yes, I will attend, and that's here. If you click on it here, you can type a little message saying, Miss, I can now attend this, or unfortunately, Miss, I'm going to the orthodontist and I can't attend. But either way, you can put a little message in there when you respond if there's some reason that you can't attend this week. It's always good to have that communication. Once you've done that, please press send. Okay, and once you see you've pressed send, it then allows you to see it in here. Now, what you need to do is that when your lessons start on a Monday, is have this open, and you can join those meetings as they occur. So if it was Wednesday afternoon and I was looking to join Miss Nixon's catch-up, what I would do is open my diary, click on it, and as long as we're in that time period, so imagine it's 2:05 and I'm raring to go, What I'm then going to do is click on that, and I'm then going to click on this join meeting here, okay? And it will then give me this screen. Now you've got one of two options now. You can either download the Microsoft app onto your computer, and that gives you lots more options, or you can join via your web browser instead. So it's up to you. If you're going to join via the web browser, you click on the little white right-hand coloured tab. If you're going to join via the app and you haven't downloaded it, you need to download it here, but make sure you allow a little bit of time for that to happen. And if you've already got the app, because you're super organised and you've already been using Teams for ages, you just click on the launch the app now. And then what you get here is the option to join the meeting now. Now, just quickly on this, it will say Mrs. Nixon, not me, AR. And you can either turn on your camera if you want other people to see you. If you don't want to be seen, then that's fine. If you don't want other people to see you, then please don't worry. You also can fade out your background here, so it blurs your background. So if you haven't tidied your bedroom since the start of lockdown, that might be an option that you might want to consider. And also here, we've got the microphone. Now, once you've logged in, you also have the option to add to the chat, but the teacher has control of the meeting. You'll see some of the other participants of the meeting across the bottom, and you won't be able to see everybody at the same time depending on how many people are there. The teacher will be presenting the lesson to you, and you'll be able to ask questions by either raising your hand physically or virtually, because there is an option to raise your hand.